So happy to have you here. I'm going to be talking to you about how to make a vision board for 2022. And not just any vision board, but a Feng Shui vision board. And this, I think, is a really cool concept because it's talking about energetic flow and how to attract and manifest those things and desires that you want. So I'm going to go through the colors that you need, how to set that up, what you can place in each category, as well as some tips for you so that you can manifest all of your dreams in the upcoming year of 2022. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stick around and please subscribe if you like this kind of content. So this is how a Bagua map is set up. It's in a grid where you have 9 squares in different colors. I take Recollections paper that I got from Michael recently on sale for the holidays, and I'm just going to sort through and pick out colors that resonate with me to match these different categories. In addition to the paper, also magazines where you can cut out phrases or images that are inspiring to you. The first area to focus on is the top left-hand corner in purple, and that is wealth and abundance. In this category, you'll see I'm cutting out several different shades of purple because I'm trying to decide what color is going to resonate with me the most once I have my finished product. And so that's something that only you can decide, but you want to keep it into the general theme of the colors that are represented. It's in this category that you'll want to display things such as images or numbers for what you feel like is abundance in your life. Some examples might be writing down a salary that you wish to earn in the following year, or if you were looking for a new home, perhaps images of a home or new car that you are interested in. The next category is career and life journey. This is a place where if you had some new aspirations, new businesses, new positions that you would like to be involved in, this is the area where you would enter this information. Now for career, you want to use a dark blue color. In some maps, you'll also see black used. But right next to it, in more of a teal or lighter blue color, you'll see, and sometimes even green, you'll see that's where you put the wisdom and knowledge and self-advancement category. This could be, for example, where you would place a degree that you're aspiring towards or a title that you're trying to obtain, but you want to make sure that you write these things as if you have already obtained them. So essentially, you could maybe print out a degree with your name on the diploma. This is also a great location to incorporate images to help you with your mindfulness routine or meditation and put images to positive improvements in your life. The center of the map in yellow signifies health, both mental and physical, and good fortune. So this is a great place for you to place a photo of yourself smiling, also positive affirmations about your mental health and physical health, things that you're aspiring for in the next year. In green, this is where you want to place a photo of your family. This is a nice way to show gratitude for your family, or if you're looking to start a family, to show pictures there that would simulate the idea of how many children you would like to have, for example. In pink, this is a good location for you to place a photo of you and your partner, just to continue to strengthen your relationship, or to place qualities that you would be looking for in a new partner if you're single, and anything else that would be positive affirmation to this topic. This part of the Bagua map is for traveling, and this is where you want to place images of places you would like to visit, dreams of things you would like to see. And this is in the metal element, so you want to choose either a silver or a gray color. Red is fame and social standing. This is a great place, especially if you have social media content, where you could place things like anticipated or hopeful number of followers, different things that you would like to potentially grow on, whether that's Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or any of those things. And the last category in white is creativity, and this is a good place to place images of maybe projects that you're working on, things that you're creating, to really bring those and manifest those in. And now that we have all the squares cut out in 3 by 3 inches, we can go ahead and assemble our Bagua vision board map. You want to start by first preparing your space. This is something where you want to be in a good environment, free from any clutter, as well as any stress. So you want to make sure it's a good day for you. You're ready to put your focus on this project. I'd recommend, if you have one, to maybe put out a fountain, you have water, just to have that energy flowing, to light a candle, to set an intention on your project. If you have some crystals, set out some crystals to kind of help amplify the energy that you're trying to put into this vision board. I have a metallic gold 12 by 12 inch piece of scrapbook paper here, and this is what I'm going to use as the base to mount all of the colored squares onto, show the Bagua map. If you have one, gold is really the right color to use for this, because this is going to attract abundance. And as I mentioned before, I did cut out several of the colors in different hues, and I did that because I wanted to see and feel what resonated with me when I was creating the map. And this will be different for every person who's creating this. Now it's time to glue all the squares in place and use these as a background for all the images that you're then going to apply. Now, a couple of things that you want to keep in mind when you're applying images and when you're applying affirmations to the photos. So you want to lay them out, and then you want to see how you resonate with what you're looking at. And you'll see that I changed the images around, I changed what I use as different wording and things like that. And a couple of things that are really important. I, for example, used the term weight loss. And after I had that on my board for a while, it was really bothering me, because the two words themselves are actually both somewhat negative words. And when you're looking at something every day, your subconscious mind can kind of absorb that energy of that. So weight and loss are essentially kind of two negatives to make a positive. And so I end up removing that and putting something that in itself is more positive. And the similar thing with something that I had cut out originally for my family was something to stress less. And again, it's two kind of negative words to make a positive, and I didn't really want that to be the theme that I was using and kind of absorbing over a long period of time. So I ended up taking that off and putting smile on there, or stories that make you smile. And I thought that this was something that kind of pull more on the positive. One of the most important tips that I've discussed when creating a vision board is making sure that any affirmation that you place on the board as if it has already happened. So to say, I am strong, or I am healthy, not that I want to be strong or I want to be healthy. This is going to make sure that you have it in the right energy to receive. You get a nice frame for your completed project. I did mine in a 12 by 12 gold frame, again because that attracts abundance. I can link that from Amazon down below. After you have your project frame, put it in a place you're going to see it often. So I suggest in the bedroom, or in your living room, or in your office, and preferably in your success corner, which you can look up online because that's unique to each individual. And then one of the biggest things that you want to keep in mind is that the vision board is something that provokes action in you. So it shouldn't be just something that you do, you never look at again, and that hope that the things will come true. It's something that you should look at, and it should inspire you, and something that you work for on a daily basis. And that's how you're truly going to manifest everything that you're looking for in 2022. And so I hope this video helped you, and I hope that it inspired you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.